Perform the indicated operations and simplify. Assume all variables are positive. 2 square roots of 12 plus the square root of 72 plus the square root of 75. Since none of our radicands are the same, right now we can't do any adding. So let's try and simplify the radicals. 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. 72 is 2 times 36, which is 2 times, well actually it's just 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 times 2 is 72. And 75 is 3 times 25, which is 5 times 5. So since our index is 2, we're trying to find two of the same. So this 5 comes out, it will sit in front of the radical. The 6 will come out and sit in front of the radical. When I take this 2 out, it's going to run into another 2. We don't write that as 22. We don't add them. We actually multiply them together. They're touching each other. There's no symbol in between here. So that would be 4 square roots of 3, that's still inside the radical, plus 6 square roots of 2 minus 5 square roots of 3. So anything not taken out of the radical stays in, and remember that you're not taking out 2 5s, you're doing the square root of 25, which is 5. So we do have some radicands that have the same radicands, and the indexes are the same, so we should be able to combine these together. A positive 4 square roots of 3 minus 5 square roots of 3 is a negative square root of 3, and we also still have 6 square roots of 2. Let's try that again with this example over here. X times the square root of y plus the square root of x squared y minus the square root of xy cubed. Well, there are two x's in here, and both of those will come out since the index is 2. And there are 3 y's in here, but only 2 of those will come out since the index is 2. And because this index is also 2, nothing comes out. Let's rewrite this so we can see what we have. X square roots of y plus x square roots of y minus y square roots of xy. Fortunately for us, when that radicand is the same, with the same index, our coefficients are something that we can add together. So when I add these two terms together, I get 2x square roots of y. But this radicand is different. Even if it was the same, this coefficient is not a like term. So I just have y square roots of xy.